Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Identify the API that is not supported by Checkpoint currently. Option A. R80 Management API. Option B. Identity Awareness Web Services API. Option C. Open REST API. Option D. OPS ECSDK. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Open REST API. Question 2. Sandblast Mobile identifies threats in mobile devices by using on-device, network, and cloud-based algorithms and has 4 dedicated components that constantly work together to protect mobile devices and their data. Which component is not part of the Sandblast mobile solution? Option A. Management Dashboard. Option B. Gateway. Option C. Personal User Storage. Option D. Behavior Risk Engine. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Personal User Storage. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.